Video tutorial on computer networks. Categories of network. Network can be divided into two main categories, peer-to-peer and server-based. In peer-to-peer networking, there are no dedicated servers or hierarchy among the computers. All of the computers are equal and therefore known as peers. Normally, each computer serves as client, server, and there is no one assigned to be an administrator responsible for the entire network. The term client-server refers to the concept of sharing the work involved in processing data between the client computer and the most powerful server computer. The client-server model diagrams are shown here. Now, the client-server network is the most efficient way to provide databases and management of applications such as spreadsheets, accounting, communication and document management, network management, and centralized file storage. Open System Interconnection (OSI). Open System Interconnection model has become an international standard and serves as a guide for networking. This model is the best known and most widely used guide to describe networking environments. Vendors design network products based on the specifications of the OSI model. It provides a description of how network hardware and software works together in a layered fashion to make communications possible. It also helps us with troubleshooting by providing a frame of reference that describes how components are supposed to function. There are 7 main layers in the OSI model. Physical layer is just that the physical parts of the network such as the wires, cables and therefore media along with the length. Also, this layer takes note of the electrical signals that transmit data throughout system. Data link layer. This layer is where we actually assign meaning to the electrical signal in the network. The layer also determines the size and the format of data sent to printers and other devices. Also, I don't want to forget that these are also called nodes, which decline the error detection and correction schemes that ensure data was sent and received. Network layer. This layer provides the definition for the connection of two dissimilar networks. The other layer is transport layer. This layer allows data to be broken into smaller packages for data to be distributed and addressed to other nodes' workstations. Session layer. This layer helps out with the task to carry information from one node workstation to another node. A session has to be made before we can transport information to another computer. Presentation layer. This layer is responsible to code and decode data sent to the node. Application layer. This layer allows to use an application that will communicate with, say, the operating system of the server. A good example would be using your web browser to interact with the operating system on a server such as Windows NT, which in turn gets the data you requested.